Okay, just logging on, and we're waiting for people to join us. So, hello everybody. Welcome to our live stream. This is the Astro Challenge, and yeah, so I'll explain the rules in a second. However, in the meantime, so first of all, in the red corner, representing Team Mario with his Waluigi. Waluigi on? Yep, and his mascot being Shy Guy. Represents all things Nintendo and tricky platforming. It is Mario the Bomb right over there. And in the blue corner, representing everything Sonic, gotta go fast, with the Sonic Squishmallow mascot, is Elmo5242. So yes, this is an epic battle for the ages. Who is better at platforming? What game teaches you how to be a better gamer? Is it Mario, with its tricky platforming? Or is it Sonic with your reflexes? There's only one way to find out, and that is by challenging each other on a neutral game. So I could have played Sonic, or you could have played Mario, but no, this is a game that's neither. It's called Astro. It's on PS5.
It's good, like...
It is.
Saying, if you... A little bit of spoiler if you haven't, like, played... If you haven't finished the game, or, well, got past it, or speedrun, so... Just him, just to know it, so if you don't want to, see this, maybe come play this after you're done.
Yeah, so just to let you know what we're going to be doing with the stream, we'll explain it again as people join, because no one's joined yet.
Yeah.
We're going to play it for a couple of hours, have a break, and then we're going to start again.
Yeah, it does depend on how far we get.
Yeah.
Because if we finish it...
So, as you can see, we have a scoreboard right there, so it shows up Team Mario, Team Sonic, and how many points they've got. So how you get points, you might be asking? Well, what we're going to be doing in a minute, we're going to start off with the 2 speedrun challenges, and whoever gets the fastest time on those after 5 attempts gets a point. So we'll do that. And then we're going to do the challenge levels, which are the hardest levels in the game.
Yes.
We'll have 5 attempts each. Whoever gets the furthest gets a point.
But if we do finish wrong, we will... we will, see what attempt we did it on. So, for example, if we keep it on attempt 1 and either attempt 2, he would win.
Yeah.
So I'm just interested. Because you never told me, we weren't talking about trivia. So what happens if we both go on the same attempt?
If you do it, if you do it the same attempt, we draw. We both have a point.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah?
So the 16... So there's 18 levels.
There are. So I don't know if we'll get through all of them tonight, but we'll get through as many as we can.
Yeah. We're going to get through most of them in 2 streams.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so there you go. So those are the rules. So you can see the points there, so you know who's ahead. Now, the only thing we haven't chosen yet is who is going to go first. So, I didn't bring a coin to go. Actually, I've got it here. I've got a card here. Loyalty card for it. Right, so ready? Heads or tails? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Tails? I don't think tails. It was heads. So, I get to pick who goes first. But I think I'm going to pick you go first. Okay?
Okay.
So, over to the speedrun challenge.
Alright, so we both have finished this. So, yeah. Building speed. Because... Wait, did I beat... I'm not sure if I beat your record. Alright, so... Oh yeah.
So it doesn't count.
Yes. I haven't had practice, so... Yeah. Alright, let's play.
37.56. Okay, that should
Waving hand.
good something.
Okay.
Oh, so we're having greetings.
Okay.
The greetings are strong.
Okay.
The Russians from America.
Oh, wow.
So good.
Yeah, maybe we should move to the top left so we can see if we actually have viewers.
That's a good point, actually. I'll do that in a second.
Yeah. Alright, so, attempt 2. I'm trying to get 36. So, I think I might have messed up.
Hello at Auntie.
Oh no! Oh no, oh no, 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 no. I think I might actually have to get a new gun.
The question I have for you, Auntie, is have you told us to be married? Who do you want?
It was... Alright. Right. So it's still about 37,520. Whoa. Wait, so if we die, does that count for adding a 10? Oh! I think it's not possible.
Yeah, 36.
No, oh wait, yeah, I did. So attempt 4. So I need to try and get 35. If I beat your record, I'm playing mine after. Oh, maybe. I might play mine now. Yeah, it's been a while since we both have played this one. Because, yeah. What, what's this?
35, 849.
Oh!
Oh, you make it really difficult. Your last try, so can you...
So, can I get 34 seconds? And I'll actually beat your real personal record. Yeah, and you're welcome. Even though we're like kind of rivals in this. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh! Wait.
632, and you beat my record.
You are welcome.
So I need to beat my records and your records.
So 300, so 35, 632.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Good luck.
Okay.
So, just saying, if I'm in what can you do?
That's right, yeah, well, Auntie's not 70. Maybe, oh yeah. Based on that, that's a 10 number one. That's a bad start. That is not great. Oh dear. If I fail to score, that'll just be embarrassing, and I will. Ow! Oh my god. I've long day at work today, or something to say. Yeah. So that's 2 attempts straight away. That is awful. What is wrong with me? I need to clear. No.
No pressure.
Good question. Oh, no pressure. Yeah. Thank you. That's 3 attempts, and I've not got a time yet. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not going to do it. That's just awful. No. Yeah, I hesitated, so I couldn't. 4. Thank you.
Thinking like you're gonna get
Yeah, at least I'm gonna get a time. No, I'm not gonna get a top. Oh my god.
not that time.
Then you've won. Then it's 1-0. There's 1-0, and I just need to leave. No. Oh, that's not no. You've won this. But anyways, I'm out of.
Okay.
Why? If I do what I can, sorry, Sonic fans. Because if we both don't, right, let's see how. Oh my god! That is actually hilarious. You are very welcome. Good luck. Yeah. Now you have to start but this one's harder.
Should I do that?
Yeah, because we just
We'll take it turns. Okay.
Yeah, so.
Let it slide. Oh, yeah.
This one is actually pretty hard.
This is harder, and in fact, you've got the fastest time already on this. So no pressure. It's the pressure of being live, man. That's what it is. It's just, But it's performance anxiety. If you know, you know. Okay.
Oh yeah, now I know a lot of stuff about those
Shoot.
those places.
Alright, yeah. Ooh, no.
Hey,
No. Oh,
you okay?
no.
No, okay, Jack. No, okay.
No, not okay. In fact, it's a very slow time. It's like a terrible thing. Oh, no. No, I'm not. Nope. Oh, I'm not going to get into 15th. I'm dead. I was very close, though. I was very close. Yeah,
If you could move to 5, that means I just have to get 30 inside.
I don't know why I did that, though.
Yeah, but
Thank you. And that was even more stupid. So it's 10-3 now, and I still haven't got a timer. Oh man, this is bad.
this is really bad.
See, why can't I play Sonic Generations? I like that. I'm good at that.
You played it like yesterday!
Yeah, I'm just getting better at that. That's the thing with going second, to figure out what the strategies are.
Yeah, and you know the skip.
Oh, the skips, that wasn't good. I didn't want to do that. Right.
Oh. Ooh.
No!
If
It's 4. 10-4. Oh man. It
it
isn't.
happens 2 times in a row, I'm just gonna give you
This is
being
just.
bad and just
Yeah.
being able to do challenges with under 5 steps.
Yeah, I know.
Like, because you're calling out something you say, you just have to remember what you know.
Ooh, got stuck in the ice cream then, that's fine.
Cheese.
Oh, it could be cheese.
Attack on.
There it is. So let's go. No pressure. God, I can't get one time on the board. What's wrong with me? It's the pressure of being online. That's what it is. It's
mean place.
It is a mean place. I mean, it's a good thing Anti-Strive has been a nice person at the moment and not mercilessly taking the neck out of me. Although she probably will be. But that's what it is. You
Yeah,
know.
that's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
And hey, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Nobody got
Not die. Not that.
Well, I thought you would. No. You're staying. If I just delete it at one time, does that mean I automatically win?
Oh, I'm always nice, lol.
Yeah. She is.
Yeah, she is actually quite a nice person.
There we go. How much when you see the Mario? Try to see someone showing like now.
Wait, so what happens if we both fail? Oh wait, yeah. So yeah, not that tight. Not for prize.
Oh. Yeah, it's not enough.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh no!
Oh no! God, holy cow, holy. Wait, is this round 2 or 3? Wait, no, this is 3. Oh, this one's hard. Yeah, this is why I don't like doing this on the handheld. If you have a PlayStation handheld and you play this, and you like it, I don't know.
Unfortunately, yeah. Very much
Oh, wait. Wait a minute. You know what? I'm just gonna try and play this normally. I just need a time. Oh wait, and if we end up in a draw, we're doing the Grandmaster Challenge. If we don't, yeah, then, I don't know, whoever's more wins. Oh yeah, we won't tell you what happens if you lose.
Oh yeah, there's 4 sisters.
We'll say that later. It's a surprise. Actually, we'll say it at the start of part 2.
Yeah. Well, we'll say it in a minute because I can't see that.
Wait.
I'm sure 3 viewers. Oh, hello, whoever you are. Actually, I think one's me because I'm in the chat. But whoever you are, number 2, say hello. Say if you're Team Sonic or Team Mario.
Oh no.
And guess what? That means I get a point.
How?
Because it's a draw. So that was a good one.
Yeah, that's it. So, time to go. So, these are the ones I'm... Alright. No one likes that many. So... Oh, wait. No, it's here.
No, it's the top one. You can start where you want, but the easiest one is the top one.
This one doesn't even have any.
Yes, it does.
Oh, is it the small levels?
The symbol levels. Yeah. They're the telephone.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh.
This is why he hasn't played this game in ages. I know where things are. So, yeah. So you're starting with Pumpkin.
Am I starting? Okay.
No, because... Oh wait, I forgot I'm starting. So... I just need to hope I do this in one attempt, which is highly unlikely. Well, I don't like these enemies.
These aren't separate off a little, because that goes.
Yeah, just don't die, that's... I don't want this thing... Oh!
It's very Halloween suit. Oh, first go. Oh dear. Yeah.
It's
So,
not.
yeah, so to recap, if I don't do this, he gets another point. Oh my god.
Good luck.
Okay.
This is hard. Well, if we try for one box,
It gets harder as it goes longer, yeah. So I'm playing to get a tie. I have to finish this. If I die, it's game over.
don't fix it.
I know, yeah. It's game over. Dead within seconds. Right, okay.
Try not to do it.
That was not a great camera angle. I am. No, I got first on the next go. That's another. My goodness, Team Mario are 3-1 up. That is just. It's the end of the world. There's been no. Team Mario
so
are
we won't tell
3-1.
you before, but we'll only tell you at the start.
It looks. It's looking like I'm gonna have to do the forfeit at this rate, but you know, it's.
But we still have. I'm not gonna.
Jeez. Kill me now! Right, okay. Fragile Frenzy is how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling a bit fragile. So hopefully. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember this. Yeah, they're hot.
Well,
I don't like you! No!
so
That's the sense one. Okay. So if you do the first attempt, you get a point, yeah. On you!
so if it's
I just want to die right. Okay. Kill me! I don't want to die. What's wrong with me, man? You know what? I should have practiced. When you said what the challenges were, I should have practiced. Up! That's attempt number 3. And I've gotten. The furthest I've got is. Yeah. So what that means is if I don't finish and you get further than that, you've won a point. 3-1. Yeah, 3-1 down. You! Right. Team number 4. Okay, here we go. This is just all for all.
you're okay right
No! I'm not okay! I'm not okay! Stop! No! I didn't jump on the... Okay, I got further anyway. Last go, it's okay. Last go, and that's how far I go. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You know, it can just stand there. Well, actually, you can't stand there on, like, some of them.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it
Only if I fail. I have not played any of these in ages. Like, we both haven't. Okay. Attempt 2.
Okay.
That's not great. Well, that's, yeah, you feel better. So if I get past you, I win. The,
So if you get on the...
wow.
Oh! I really thought that I was like that.
Is it try 3?
Really?
Or we know what, but we both know what the forfeit is, and we both want not.
Oh, he's got a swing.
So it's attempt 4. If I fail, I still might want to try and finish the level. Because
I
once...
mean, we've battled this. Oh, okay, last attempt, no pressure.
Oh, yeah, we both have. So,
At the moment, it's
but
fine.
I got one of your trophies for you. And it was actually not the next level. I got the feather cluster.
Oh, on the last
Wait.
attempt, he's done it.
Can I beat the level?
The other...
No, it's just I want to see if I can do it. That hurts.
Unlucky that it's not.
Yeah, I know, but like my back hurts. Then
You push on your back. There you go.
yes, I have to beat the next one,
Yeah.
which is. Oh no! You might get a point. I'm not great at this one. I'm okay. If we did all the levels with one rock, so like, so let's see if I can do this. That's attempt 1. Oh, down. So you might feel better after this. Yeah, I'm free. Not going great till, well, it is going good in points wise, but this level, not going great for Team Mario. So, I don't think you want to face the consequences of what happened. Well, we both don't. But I don't know, I'll just try and find what I can for what the punishment is. Because we know what it is. Well, wait, no. On part 2, to make it more interesting. Maybe at the end of part 1, though. Just so you know. Wait, is this the castle? Oh no! Oh, actually, no. This is bad. This is really bad. So if I do it in this, though, you have 4 chances to beat it. Good luck.
Okay.
So you have to get spinning thing.
Relax. Breathing. Relax. Don't do it when you want to come through it. That song's a bit old for you. Okay. Oh, that, yes. Oh, yeah, oh, Mika. Okay, good song.
Oh, I have
Good song. I sit and chill, you know, all day. You haven't got all day, I do it. Well, I need to be where you got something to finish.
Yeah, you beat me.
Yep, can I finish it though? Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
No, but I win. There you go. That's... Whew. Relief. So, that's pulling one back for Team Sonic. Yes, so pulling one back for Team Sonic. Yeah. Score on the board for Team Sonic. It is 4-2, yeah. So the next one, I'm starting, isn't it? I'm just updating the scoreboard. Right, okay, so next one. Sorry, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
You get it.
I don't see nothing wrong with a little cut and grind. Actually. Yep. That is one way to do it. Yeah, I know. Oh, that was the end.
Oh, that's good.
Right, really from the end. So nearly got it done in attempt 1. Yeah, that's. Ooh, it would have been. Ah, nope. Nope. Attempt 2.
Okay. Oh, that was... So, I have to beat this in one attempt. And if I don't, well, you could end it in a draw. That would kind of be bad.
Yes.
Because we haven't got draws every round. It would be... Oh, I know!
Yes.
Got to go
At
forward.
least drawing, that's good. At least get this.
So...
Oh, there we go. See, Sonic is back to 3.
So, 3-4. Yeah, I kind of gave it. So, I have to start the next one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I can pick both.
Nice.
So, next is me. I'm gonna go to this one. But I've got an idea of how I can do it. I'm sliding up the edge. Sliding. This wasn't too bad. Like, I think most people who play this game can do this. Yeah!
Most people play this.
Oh no!
Oh,
I fell!
oh no.
Mario.
So, yeah.
Wow, Luigi. You missed me.
Oh,
I missed! I'm just gonna write on my pumpkin this year, I hate you. I'm not actually going to do that. Oh, oh, these are hard. No, this, so it's attempt 4, and then I just need to, yeah, I'm pretending I never said anything. You probably know why. Why don't we fight in a little bit of that? Just why not, bro? Nothing but a little bit of... Take that. I'm scared. Because that's the furthest I got. Because... Not really said anything that much. We don't want to say anything just to be rude. So, we're just gonna stay silent. With silent chat.
It's a donut level. Sonic likes a donut. Sonic likes a donut lord. So is this going to be? You can see him cringing over there. You can see him cringing. It's like, oh my god, I'm related to that guy as well. Yeah. Okay. Is this something you've been through? Oh man! Yeah, it's here, isn't it? It's here, it's past Same place. Same place. So at the moment it's a draw, so...
Yeah, so...
Ah, what am I doing? Okay. Yeah. I had a moment of madness. Takes its toll. Listen closely. Not for very much longer. I got to control. Have you not heard that song? I remember doing a time walk, drinking of moments when. No? I need to play that song for you, it's nonsense. It's one of your mum's favourites. Nice. Breathe, relax. Take it easy. I am impressed that you know me, I have to say. There you go, Donut Lord gets a point. Okay. Poof, and you know what that means? You know what? It's 4-4. Yes. Sonic 4. Unfortunately, Sonic 4 the game is awful. So hopefully, it's not a threat. So the Sonic 4 first. Okay, so which one's next? Yep. You can have a drink, yeah? Well, you can have a drink, it's my turn first. Ooh. So you don't like the rolling one? I'll swing before I roll. Okay.
You are joking. Wait. You don't like this one.
I know.
I like this one.
I'm so getting out the way. Right, you're right, I don't like this one.
I think in pain. I'm just gonna be fine.
Yeah. That's two.
If you want to
I'm getting this out of the way. See it again. Ambush party. 3. You've not said if you've seen Sonic 2 Mario. You need to pick a side. I'm sorry. You can't pick. Yeah, you can't pick both. Apart from me. Well, I can see what I'm going. Or use the secret thing. If I get arrested, I won't get arrested.
How many attempts is that?
3. Is that 3 or 4? 4. That's not fine. And I feel about we tied up. All time, you know. Having a tie. Yeah. No, I'm fine. I'm gonna lose my tie very soon. And I think off this bit I always get stuck. I'll just stay in. Stay into it. No, that was bad. Okay. Good luck.
Let's see how I do this. Oh, okay, once I attempt 1, still got attempt 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. I didn't want to be mean because I was thinking we could do it for free, but I never hold on to it. Nah, it's a little bit hard because
Okay, and my fault is something favourite. Something says okay with time.
so. Oh god. I can't move this. How, are you better at this than me?
Let's go. At the moment, the answer is yes. Basically, is he going to have one sort of golden run first?
One run is all it is. I'm gonna stop now. Now this time, I will... Oh! Where are we?
Oh,
So what were you saying about that curse again? So what were you saying about that Sonic 4 curse again?
it happened.
Wait, rolling. I forgot about this level. Oh no! I don't like this one. I don't like to be seen. Well, I do like to be seen rolling. You see me rolling. Say hey, hey. Nope. Nope. Nah, bruh. Ooh. This is the. Oh, oh my god!
What you doing then?
So so technically you have to kind of do this in one go.
Yeah.
So good luck. Or we could break tie. Well, you get wait. So, oh my god. So attempt 1 or 2 would literally make you win. So yeah, don't want that to happen. No, brother, no. Oh shoot, I'm scared. This is why I don't like to be seen rolling. You don't see me. No! I'm flying on my favorite suit!
Oh no! Okay,
So, if I do this, then you have 4 attempts, well 5. Well, yeah, 4. Well, 4 to make a tie, and 5, well, oh! That's pretty good.
Oh, it's okay. Really fast to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I have to do is I have to finish it to beat you. But if I don't finish it, if I don't just get to the end, then you've lost. So. You can probably die if you want to.
I'm not very funny, so I will. We both play for us.
We do. Oh no. Oh no.
Ooh,
Yeah. Wrong timing.
did
Wrong
you know
timing.
that way?
I know that way.
Where is that way?
No, the way. Yeah, I'm sure it's safe for us. So. Oh, what? Yeah, I think I can say because I don't think I'm going to do it. And I'm just going to stay here forever.
I'm like, okay.
Oh, I am done.
I want to go now. What?
You've lost the donut.
No.
The curse of Sonic 4 is over. You're now tied up. Again?
5-5.
Yeah.
5-5.
It is 5-5.
Now what?
So hang on. Is there any more in this one? We've done all these, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing? What's wrong with me? What? What is?
It's not in here.
I'm lost. Okay, yeah, my favourite one's in here, but I'm not going to go to that yet. We'll do that. It's fine. Spooky Halloween level. It is. Ooh, okay. I like a bit of fire. I like drinking water. Drinking fire is not fun. Ah, yeah. You can drink the water.
Yeah.
Water can kill you. Water can kill you. Yeah, choking. I don't like when people enjoy choking. No. Inhumane. Oh.
It's nothing to like you're not.
Yeah, I know what inhumane means. Okay. I'm doing awful. I should. This is 10-3, isn't it? It's 3 or 4, it's 3, isn't it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me a break. Thank you. Have a kick pass. Have a break. Yeah, I don't like you. I don't like you. It was so unfortunate if you failed right at the end. A 10-3.
You hit the Minecraft. You hit the block. You actually hit the square. How dare you? Oh, okay. I know which one I'm doing next. But I just need to trust you that you don't think the one I don't do. Because if you do that one last, I will be not happy. I will be very unhappy. Happy. I am kind of scared. Scared. But more unhappy.
Wouldn't it be fortunate if you fail at this point?
Okay. You're welcome. Alright.
Anyway, ready.
So, where is it? Is it? Yeah. Oh, is it? Okay, on fun. Is it okay if you play the one under this? For me, please? Oh, wait. It's not. This one's kind of hard. The only point of this level is going. It's lit so. Can be asked about a history book. This is how I say it.
No.
This is how I don't say. Stop, Astro! Run, Astro, run! What? Why was it just blocking me? Why was it? Yeah, it kind of did, though. Wow! What? Attempt 3, I guess. I'm kind of unfocused. Yeah. So, yeah. I can't. Yeah. Oh no! My boyfriend! He's broken! Wait, what? What? Yeah, because you can't go down. You! So, can you tell me... Wait, how... This is not 4 or 5. What's 4? Everyone's gonna just stand and just count 5. Oh, no.
Okay. Did that sound really false then? Unlucky. No, I didn't mean like that. Genuinely unlucky. Good start. Okay, attempt 2. So I just need to get further.
5, so if you do this...
Oh, what? Oh, man. No.
No. Oh, no.
No. I know. Stay with me. My performance. Away. Oh no! Go away, you electric.
Go away. Stay there.
Yeah. It's 3 or 4. 3. That was 3. 4 now.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, 10.
Not 10. 10.
Yeah.
I'm not felt better, to be honest. No.
A bird have a joy.
Last go. Yeah. Bird blew me up. Oh, no. That could, when as bad as it could have gone. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I did a use. That's what you do.
Okay, we're waiting for you.
That was it, wasn't it? Yeah.
So I win.
You win.
So,
No, it's my go, isn't it? Next. You pick that one. I'm changing the scoreboard.
Just,
Yeah, that's my problem.
I don't know.
So it's 7-5.
Yeah.
Shall we do it? Shall we do your favourite level ever? My favourite level ever?
Yeah, let's do
Is that next? Or shall we leave that to last? We'll leave that as the big last climax. Oh no, hang on. Is that all that's left to do?
No, there is another one at home.
There is another.
Just like that.
We'll leave the tough one for you to do it first. No. It's the hardest. It's the hardest level in the game.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, there is another one. Yeah.
Oh wait, you remember the end?
Oh, this, yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, you know what? This is sort of coming back to me. It's called fire water thing. So fire is cold water. Yeah. I prefer not dying. That's like it. Right, okay. What's my plan? Oh. What? Yeah, that was just. It's like I've completely lost my confidence. Come on, bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back to me. You know that one as well? Oh. Okay. That's an old song. Oh yeah. Take it easy.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
That was a good album. The big girl, you are beautiful. You hear that one? Oh. Looks like a big balloon. Good. It's number 3. It's 4. Okay. Oh, it's 3. Oh no, it's 4. Yeah, I died early on. Oh, doing very good. And I think the first time round, I did really well. It's I lost my mojo. I need to regain my mojo. I don't know. Lost in powers. Ah! Okay. Right, let's start fighting out last time. Scorches! Oh, it's not. Ah! Right, that's the third stuff in. Was that it? Was that 5? No, this is 5. That was 4. See, we need a third person really to count out our attempts because I'm losing track sometimes. We need
chat to do it. We need chat to do it. Alright, so I forward past you.
Already.
Oh no! Oh. That was an accident.
That was an accident.
Yeah. Well, we both did it, so it technically is. If you do, that means no one will get it. Wait. So now we have to play our favorite level, right?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, we both love.
Can you get it back there? If you don't know the sugar, the level you're about to play
It's
is
from
one of the hardest levels in the game. That's probably the second hardest level in the entire game.
because I say it's the worst level. Well, I think might be third. Well, to me it's the second. To you it's probably the third because there's 2 others.
Yeah, there's one you have to do for me. So
Yeah.
this one. I have finished it since though. So.
I don't like this one.
Yeah.
There's no we both.
It's like the entire attempt of them really.
Yeah.
You're probably not going to.
Because of this stupid looking duck.
The other day. Yeah, really good.
I know how you get past this first bit. But that guy, it's very, like, I didn't know, like, frogs for a while after this.
Do that. It's awful. It's the miss out. Have another duck again. And really, was fully ready to happen.
I'm just gonna...
Oh no, it's not. Not so easy.
Oh no! This isn't the haunt bit though. It's the bit after the bit that I messed up on. No, I am not joking. but that was like... Wait, I want Kentucky Bunny. Zelda.
Oh, last attempt. Okay.
So, then, it would be kind of... Yeah, you were right about these attempts. Like... Wait. So it's literally
at the end. If I can get to the end of that bit, I've been.
Yeah, I'm like,
If I can get past this bit, it'd be a miracle, to be honest. What?
you don't see from the outside.
I don't. Yeah.
So you like frogs?
Do you like waffles? Yes, I like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yes, I like pancakes. No, I don't like toes. So third attempt. Yeah, I've not even got to that bit yet. But yeah, people were stuck on each other for hours sitting up there. And it's mostly this first bit here. And that next to that, there we go. But then I got, yeah, okay, fourth attempt. Do you like waffles? Wait! Ah! Last attempt. And I've not got that far.
Do you like this game?
Do I like this game? Yes. I don't like... No, I don't like this level. Ah, so right, you get points.
Let's see if I can add it.
It's my go. Are you going to just have a go?
Well, yeah, you have to. 99. Still nine, but nining guy. 9. He's gone. For all eternity. It'd be kind of fun.
95.
Okay, let's go. Bye. Get out of here.
Okay.
Bye. Just kidding. We are out there. Alright. So,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wow, it's getting to like almost. Yeah. And sort of the end game really, because there's 4 of these, and then we've got Grandmaster. But the thing is, in order to me to be in with a chance of winning, I have to beat you on all of these. You've got 9. So I have to beat you in all of these, and then beat you in the Grandmaster Challenge to win.
Alright, that's not a good start.
If you draw on any of these, it means you won by default. But we're going to go to the end of it. That's can't happen. I can't happen. If you draw, Yeah, but that's what I mean. If we draw on one of these, then you've won. But we can try and redeem them all. Okay, I'm thinking good. But you know, because it's no, we can't. There's only 4 of these now, right? What is 5 plus 4?
No.
Yeah. How much have you got? How much have I got? Yeah. How many levels are there? 4. Are there 5? Oh, there are 5. Oh, there are. And Grandma Astro, yeah. Yes. No, well, no, I can win if I win Grandma Astro. Hey, that's not to say you're going to win these. I keep doing it. Oh, you got an iron top first. That's good. Yeah, you can do. So then, I think, well, Auntie Shrive has been the only person in chat to talk, so she can help decide with my punishments. I think she'll enjoy that. So,
Any other ideas?
Okay, good luck. So yeah, so my forfeit. I'm saying my forfeit to fight one to one is I have to change my PlayStation profile. I don't think my book, which we might to whatever you choose.
And
But
then,
you choose too.
so, because that's fun. So, yeah. If we wait, so lose 5. Wait, so how far did you get up to the ice?
Yeah, I got to just beyond the fact. And I'll say that too. That's it. So I got
Well,
get over those. Gotta say that.
yeah, I should have thrown it at him. So this is how. Oh wait. So if
Okay?
yeah.
I guess all time for 1 month.
So now I have to pick one.
Yeah, you do. I didn't think of it. I thought you did.
You want me to go over here or the other way? You know what? I'm going to the level that no one, all the people hate.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
The two competitors
and well, splashing. It'll be real helpful. Okay, like two-shot this. Like, this is probably our hardest challenge yet. What we've done in the past. We've done interesting stuff. This is attempt 3, by the way. Before people just shout at me and shit. Wow. Yeah. You might actually get points. One more attempt. Nah. I'm just interested. So,
Okay.
you have to...
I have to get past the lava bit.
No, get past that big guy.
Okay.
Onto that square.
Onto that square.
If you get onto that, the second square and you won't get, you might actually. So, I people try to get
Yeah, my
no, like 4 minutes is like a little ground. Alright, so better than me on my server.
I think the reason she picked people up is less to the beat. Some things are to the beat, and some things are on a weird beat. So that's on a weird beat. That is that's the beat. That's the beat. Go away.
Almost
Go away, Spiky Man.
like one.
What? Oh, no!
Would I count that?
Oh. Well, that one, technically it's a draw, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's at the same place. Yeah, if I yeah, then I'm.
You win. Well.
Yeah, it's a 4, okay. So it's a draw. I used to get a 20. It's a nice side, I think. I don't know why I did that. Taking silly points. Oh. No! I won though, so okay. Woo! Oof! Foofy!
9 to 8.
Is it? Is it like no? Is it 8? No, I've not got 8, is it? It's 7, I think. 9 to 7.
9.
It's 9 to 7.
9.
It was 9 to 6, I've just changed it.
So
So
9. 2. 9 to 7. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I've just changed it, so yeah.
So now
Yeah, so it goes to 9.
it would be funny if like
Extra and give it to you.
If we tied up 1 and then you just won the rest. Because if that happens, you would win.
Yeah.
So,
We just ask the question. We'll have to think of something else. We'll think of a tie break. What to do.
yeah.
Maybe, because there's a lot of little challenge levels as well, so do that. But the thing with the little challenge levels is it's hard to gauge whether you're.
Well, that's
Yeah, but the thing is, that'll just be about finishing it. Oh! Yesterday you playing off, or you can do the same. Yesterday you playing off, but that was then, it's not. I don't know what I'm singing, Annie. I'm obviously losing this one. Ah. I don't like sticky eyes. Oh, yes. 10-2. Okay. Nice. Is Sonic having the biggest comeback in the world? Like it's before. You know? There's a little bit of pressure.
I have to do it. Yeah, you leave a level with We're trying to go around. Well, yeah. So, you either get one or we both get one. Because we didn't want to do double points just to confuse everyone. Yeah. I just wanted
It's a
to...
draw.
Doesn't mean I've won yet. No, it doesn't. We both get one. You win the other... So, it just depends on one level. So, if I do this in one, that means... Yeah. If I do it in one, I win. That's one. So you can't. So you rather have to do it one time. So this is attempt 3, so you have 2. Wait, I just jumped on his head. So, you rather do it in full. Well, this is gonna... So, you have 4 attempts to beat this. Well, before you beat my...
Hey.
So, you have to get past the ice. Because I didn't get exactly...
Really? Okay. Get picked by the dude. No. And the man is just good at you.
Yeah, you won.
Well, I might as well want to do it. I might not. Yeah, nice to make up for my second. People are probably wondering. That was right. It is right there. But anyway, I got the point. But do you know what that means, though? Guess what? I get first go at. Dun, dun, dun.
The hardest level up, yeah.
So, because it's longer, are we having 5 attempts, or are we going to have 3 attempts at this? We've got enough time for 5, actually, I think. So we can make it 5 attempts, yeah? You happy with that? Cool. So the most I can hope for is to draw with you. Because, yeah. Because I got 9. It's 10-9 right now.
Because it would be kind of funny if one of us actually did it.
It would. Yeah, in 5 attempts. It's doable.
You did it.
It's doable, yeah. If I did it on the first attempt, so here we go. So spoiler, if you've not played this game before, this is the end game right now.
You haven't got 300 bucks. This is a spoiler. Yeah, and we want to use a box that.
What are you doing? You're going to see all my bots anyway. I've got all. Shout out if you know the characters. Shout. Who's your favourite character in the box? Thank you, Anna. What's wrong with you?
Greetings. Waving hand. Hello at auntie. No pressure. Oh, I'm always nice, lol.
Okay. All of Auntie's left. In case we didn't know that. Here we go. So it's the final chance. This is the toughest level in the entire game. And I have 5 attempts to finish it or get as far as I can. Here we go. This is the spoiler alert end game. The bot you get for this is legendary, one of my faves. I won't say who, but he's awesome. Okay, here we go.
Maybe.
No pressure. 5 attempts. Attempt number 1. Here we go. Okay.
So once I do mine, I'll show you a little. I'll show you movement to see if it is.
I hate this bit. No, it's the next bit I hate the next bit when you have to pull it and you get the thing. Yeah, like that. Yep, that. See, I knew what was going to happen, and yet I still got. And this is just for those of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite cool. I need to avoid you. Attempt 3. Oh, you win. Yeah. I have to use it. So again, get thinking about that punishment anti-strike. You're the only person chatting. Is anybody else in chat? Oh. Say hello. Are you on Team Sonic or Team Mario? Team Sonic is not too. Oh, it is. Good. Cool.
I'll give you play after mine. I want to give you a chance.
Interesting. Right, last attempt, and I've not got past this bit. This is embarrassing, I have to say. This has summed up my gameplay, or say that, it's not. Yeah, easy. No, that's it. So you pass that guy, you have won.
Well, or am I?
Oh, who are you? Okay.
So, wait. Attempt 4. Yeah, attempt 4. So, what will happen if we do so?
Well, what we could do, because this is something we could
Wait a minute. Oh yes, you know what my guy's from? I'm sorry,
yeah, there
this
you
is
go.
spoiler.
So that's it.
So, if you guys know what if you guys know what game he's from,
So it's 10 all peeps. Who would have pointed?
so
how
what do you want to do, chat?
So how do we get how to solve that? What could we do? We could go back to all the way back to the beginning and then look at anything.
Alright, I've got an idea. Why do... So, it gives me chat permission first. So, alright, so chats. Should we do option 1, where we just play the time levels, or option 2 is what we do is we change, so we play the mini levels from World 1 and see who can get. So 1, 2. You know what?
you know, the two. So I don't think there's no time.
Actually, you know what? Can we try and do Rumble Rumble and Retro Rampage 5?
Yeah, the thing is, if you don't, what happens if you don't do it? You know, so they're that short, even the challenge, you've done it, right? It's not like the challenge where you can say, I got further. You can.
Oh wait, yeah.
Yeah.
This is hard. What should we do?
I think in two things, you do the find one,
Yeah.
or you have sudden death on the Master Challenge, one go, whoever gets furthest in.
Or we could do something else.
Okay, well, the name's funny, so.
Would we face the final boss and see who can do this more?
No,
Actually-
because those can, it's no, that makes no sense. It's ridiculous. One go.
I'm going first.
Okay. Good luck. I'll get first.
And we'll tell you the challenge, the punishment. Oh yeah. And if you have a punishment next time, let us know. Don't make it bad extreme, because
I'm gonna get on the try and play a bit.
so I'm going first.
Team Mario did in the lead most of the game.
Or
One
Team
go.
Sonic that
So
has
as Team Sonic choosing form, they can really
with the end. Well, attempt end. That's what our attempt is to do now.
Oh,
You just have to beat that
oh
guy.
man! Oh, disaster! Okay, Knuckles fainted. He was just like, Knuckles, like, he passed out. He was like, he passed out. I was shocked. Is he going to pull off a shot? I don't know. I don't think he is. Yes, he is. He's okay. Technically, Team Sonic went on. But can I beat that bloody bird? No, I can't beat that. Lovely. Ah. Wow. That would that be an awesome end? If I could, you know, not only win. Oh no. Would it? Ah. No. Oh. No, I got that, you know? So there we go. So the results, let me change the scoreboards. Alright.
I'm scared.
So I need to change
My
his avatar to one of my choice. And he loves Mario. He thinks Mario is the best thing
No, I
ever.
don't.
He does. He thinks Mario is so cool
No,
and
I
amazing.
don't. Well, it is a good game.
He does.
Well, you're so moany about Sonic.
you're,
true, though.
you're so moany about Sonic.
That is.
So, well, what I'll do, chat, because I can't change his profile picture and be logged in. So I will change it and I'll put it up in chats. I'll do a screenshot and put it in the chats what I've changed it to.
Wait, no, just put it.
So I can't, because I can't change it when I'm logged in and broadcast at the same time. As soon as I do that, it logs me out. So what? Yeah. So we had. Yeah. Did you enjoy that? Do you think we should do more challenges? Did you enjoy that? And part 2, have you got an idea of what we can play? Do you want us to play more Astro Bot? Do you want us to play something else? You know, we can play a bit of Four Guys, a bit of Among Us. We can play a bit of Sonic Generations. Or, you know. Yeah, we did. I don't know about you, but I think that was a lot of fun. Yeah, I mean,
Fall Guys ones are like more popular.
Yeah.
But Fall Guys kind of dead now. Well, no one plays it that much.
yeah, hardly anybody play, but yeah, you know, it's good. And if you know, Astrobot is an awesome game. I really recommend it as well.
So,
It's,
if
you know,
you don't have PlayStation,
yeah, they're cheap. You know, yeah.
yeah, but really like, I don't know, £500?
They're really cheap.
Yeah, but really cheap, right?
Yeah.
And the game's about 60.
Yeah.
So hey, that cheap,
It's not cheap.
no, alright.
See, I'm spoiling all the games for people as well. I don't spoil too many of the games. There's some awesome levels.
Amazing references.
I'll tell you what, because we still have time, the levels you want to play, shall we try those? As a, why not? You wanted, Rumble and, yeah, so, which one do you want to do? Your choice. Okay, I'll start with Rumble. I hate both these, I'll be honest.
Yeah,
These are really difficult, so here we go. What time are we up to? We might have enough for 5 attempts at this. So basically the trick to this stuff, right, is find out stuff, which is nothing.
well, yeah.
But yeah, but
But
he will kill himself. Yeah. And he'll not only kill himself, but he'll kill his friends as well. It sounds really sinister, but you know. So, okay, we need to get that side, mate. You watch though, I'll do it and I'll fail. Yeah. No!
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, see. Okay, right, that's attempt one. Attempt one was a bit boring for you to watch, so let's try the Boy Street. That. No. No, that's attempt. This is attempt 3, so that. So now try to take the lead now. Attempt. Well, no, I'm gonna fail it. So attempt 4, here we go.
Yeah, but don't say
It's for fun. Well, yeah, I mean, the reason you want to play this is because you get bad at it. And last attempt. Then you got 5 goes, and then we might just have enough time on. There we go.
Okay. Let's see if I can prove how good I am at this. Pink guys. I'm running away, man. Need to find you. That one. Whoa! He killed himself! He killed himself!
See? I mean, you can tell he's really ridiculous.
Well, you play more of one game, I play more of other games. Yeah. So, now, time to put, okay, it's not
The reason to think this one is this is one he has to do.
yeah. Well, because this is how he got the Cyberpluster, the trophy of getting all the bots in this world. And he got me to do it, because I was like, well, it's you.
I'll do
How is he still with it? He's a piece to surviving. Literally. This is how you punch them. No, it's punch them. It's not punch them. Ah!
Punch the fly.
Punch the
Release the ball.
You.
That was me.
That was actually kind of mean. So attempt 3. And murder the slime. Oh, so
Oh, that.
alright, so if I do this, I'm just going to... Are you gonna...
Dishing out the punishments. Here we go. No. In a word, not really. But okay. That was a. No. Oh man, this is just a good. No, I've still got 2 attempts.
I kind of stayed through time and I have no one.
Last attempt. Yeah, it was the last attempt of the screen, of the screen. And there we go. That's it. That's all she wrote. So yeah. I will post the image in the comments before I see your icon. You will have to have. Yep. It was. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you for watching it.
Yep. And yeah, and join us next time. Yeah. We'll I'll put it on chat. Yeah.
Next month.
Yeah.
So, bye.
Until then, take care and goodbye. And thank you for joining us. So, yeah. Yep. Take care.